service, hello, and namaskar. Welcome back to an Assamese in Austria. Today, I'm incredibly excited to share something truly special with you all. I'm taking my drone out for a bird's eye view of one of my absolute favorite hiking spots in Austria, the breathtaking Kanderwal Mountains, starting from the Halltal parking area near Absam, just outside of Innsbruck. Look at this. Isn't it just stunning? The Kanderwal is a vast mountain range, known for its dramatic peaks, pristine valleys, and incredible hiking trails. It's a true paradise for nature lovers. I've been coming to this area for quite some time now, and every single time, I'm just blown away by its beauty. The Halltal, in particular, is a fantastic starting point for numerous hikes. From gentle strolls along the valley floor to challenging climbs up to the peaks, there's something for everyone here. The trails wind through lush forests, alongside crystal clear streams, and offer panoramic views that will leave you speechless. You can see the rugged peaks towering above, their jagged edges reaching towards the sky. The contrast between the lush greenery of the valleys and the stark, rocky mountains is simply mesmerizing. The sheer scale of the Kanderwal is something you have to experience to truly appreciate. From up here, with the drone, you can really get a sense of how vast and wild this area is. It's a reminder of the power and beauty of nature. It's a place where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with the natural world. If you're enjoying this glimpse of the Kanderwal, I highly recommend checking out some of my other videos from this area. I've hiked here several times here, and I've shared my experiences in many other videos. I'll put all the relevant links in the description below, so be sure to take a look. You might find some inspiration for your own hiking adventures. Well, that was an incredible hike. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of the Kanderwal. This place truly holds a special place in my heart, and I'm so happy I could share its beauty with you. Thank you so much for joining me today on An Assamese in Austria. I really appreciate you watching until the very end. Stay tuned for more videos exploring the beautiful landscapes of Austria. I have many more adventures planned, and I can't wait to share them with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Bis bald. See you soon.